So students, we already discussed chapter 1, okay, network and network topology. Yes. So you should know network. Network is a communication system that help us to one and more computer connecting together. Okay, that means suppose one computer connecting another computer and sharing data to one computer to other computer. It help us to network communication. Okay. So you can see page number 7. Okay, first page, chapter 1. Network interface card and IC. Network interface card is a upgraded version. That means suppose you when you insert network interface card in a network communication system, that this card help us to speed up of others network. That means suppose you sharing data and others documents to another computer, that help us to NIC. NIC, that means network interface card. Speed up. Speed up, that means everyone know speed up. That means this communication actually transfer rate is speed, work fast actually. When you insert NIC, network interface card in your system, insert in your system. Okay. So same process. If computer is supported by network software that provides the server or client functionally, the hardware used to transmit data across the network are copper cable, fiber optic, and wireless transmission. So network types of network capacity is a number one, copper cables. You can connecting copper cables, using copper cables, fiber optic, and wireless transmission media. Okay. So next is types of computer network importance. Okay. Types of computer network. Okay. First is LAN, PAN, WAN, and WAN. Okay. So LAN is a full name of LAN is a local area network. Full name of LAN is a local area. Good afternoon. So full name of LAN is a local area network. Okay. So a LAN is a computer network that is limited to a local area. You can see images page number 7. Okay. It's called LAN network. That means one server connecting to many, one or more computer connecting to server. You can see image page number 7. Okay. It's called LAN network. Okay. So it's one server connecting to more and one or more computer. Okay. From this server, one server. Okay. So it's called LAN network. Okay. Same process on PAN network. You can see PAN network actually basically used for wireless network communication. It's called PAN network. Okay. Wireless communication network is called PAN network. So you can see image page number is 8. You can see right side images. Person 11. PAN network full name is PAN network full name is personal area network. Okay. Personal area network. So PAN is a computer network for interconnecting devices, and we already discussed it. PAN provide data transmission among devices, computer, smartphone, tablets, personal digital assistant. So you can also call it PAN network is a wireless network. Okay. So you can see page number 8, and suppose wireless network, that means suppose you connecting a printer. Printer is a network. When you connecting computer to your printer without cable, it's called PAN network. Okay. Same types of computer, suppose you connecting wireless network. Wireless, that means suppose you connecting Bluetooth connection in your computer. Okay. It's called PAN network. Okay. So same types of other system is computer, tablet, laptop, printer. Okay. Same types of using PAN network. Okay. Wireless network is called wireless network. Okay. So next is metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network, its full name is MAN network. Actually full name is metropolitan area network. Okay. So is a high speed network that connecting LAN in a metropolitan area such as city or town. This network is used for only city or town area. Okay. And handle the bulk of communication activity across that region. You can see images. It's called metropolitan area network. Okay. Metropolitan area is a high speed network communication system. Okay. So MAN network, main network like Jio Fiber. Everyone knows Jio Fiber, and I think everyone know. Okay, MAN network. It's called Jio Fiber. Same types of PAN network. Okay, but MAN network is a high speed network communication system. Okay. So same types of you can see WAN network. WAN network is the same types of MAN, WAN is a computer network that expands a wide geographic area. A WAN may be spread across cities, countries, and continents. And WAN, okay, WAN is a wide area network. It's called geo fiber and other broadband connection. Okay, WAN network is called broadband connection network. Okay. So next is a network topology. We already know network topology. Okay. So network topology refers the layout of the computer and device in a communication network. Three commonly used network topology. Importance line. Three communication network topology: star, bus, and ring topology. Everyone should remember. Okay. Three network topology: star, bus, and ring topology. Everyone can hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so three network topology is a star, bus, and ring. Everyone should underline, and we already underlined. Okay, no problem. And everyone should remember. Okay, star, bus, and ring. Okay. Most network, including the internet, use combination of these. So we will discuss now bus topology. So you can see images. It's called bus topology. And hub, already we discussed hub. Hub is a what? Hub is a. Anyone can tell me hub? What is hub? You can see image page number is 8. You can see hub. We already discussed hub. What is hub? Hargobi,
Yes, sir.
can you tell me what is hub?
So one network to many more network connecting device is called hub.
It's called hub. Yes, good. It's called hub. And server, what is server? What is computer server?
Server is a computer system of internet which can be used uploading data and receiving data from internet.
Yes. Good. And we already know uploading and downloading. You know uploading. Uploading means what? Hargobi?
Yes, sir.
Uploading means what?
Uploading means to upload.
Yeah, I know. Explain this. Uploading means. That means what? Uploading, that means suppose your data. Suppose your data any documents. Okay. Your data or any documents transfer to internet or internet server from your computer. It's called uploading. And downloading, that means what, Bhargavi?
To download something from the internet.
Transfer to our computer from internet. Yes, it's called downloading. Okay, so it's important. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And bus topology, all the computer connecting. You can see page number. Bus topology is okay. Ring topology is a ring types of internet connection. Okay, network connection. It's called ring topology. You can see page number is 9. And everyone should remember advantage of ring topology, disadvantage of ring topology. Okay. Central server is not required for this management of this topology. Central server is not required this topology. Okay. So advantage of ring topology, everyone should remember. Okay. Bus topology, advantage of bus topology, disadvantage of bus topology. Okay. And disadvantages of ring topology. Okay. You can see images. Page number is 9. Ring topology images. Okay. So same types of star topology. Star topology is same types of ring, but this topology is high speed. Okay, high speed internet connection. So star network are fairly easy to install and maintain nodes, and you should remember advantage of star topology and disadvantage of star topology. Okay, advantage of star topology and disadvantage of star topology. You can see page number is 10. Advantage of star topology is easy to install and wipe. Okay, easy to detect fault and remove parts. Disadvantage of star topology, more expensive than linear bus topology because of the hub, etc. Require more cable length than a linear topology. Okay, disadvantage of star topology. And tree topology, you can see tree topology. Okay, same types of star topology, bus topology, but this topology, one computer connecting to many other countries, and this computer connect to other computer. It's called tree topology. Suppose you already know star topology. On one server connecting to many other computer. It's called star or ring topology and bus topology. But tree topology is a all of the computer have server. Okay, suppose you connecting one computer to other computer, and this computer connecting to many other computer. Okay, it's called tree topology. Okay, same types of star and bus topology, but this tree topology help us to suppose you we know star topology one server connecting to many other computer, and ring topology, bus topology. But tree topology connecting to one and more computer together tree. You can see some types of tree topology. Okay, and all of the computer have server. Okay, a root already discussed, wide area network. Okay, wide area network, wide network. Advantage of tree topology, disadvantage of tree topology, mesh topology. You can see images mesh topology. Okay. So communication software is what? Can you tell me communication? Anyone can tell me two communication software? Arifun? Aklima? Can you hear me, Aklima?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell me communication software? Example of communication software? Two example of communication software. Tell me. Two example of communication software. You can see page number 12. Page number 12. Communication application. Example of application software for communication. Email, FTP. We already know FTP full name is file transfer protocol. Web browser, news group, message board, chat room, video conferencing. It's called communication software. Okay. And communication devices. Two example of communication devices. Haravi, can you tell me two example of communication device?
Sir, dial-up modems, digital modems.
Yes. Wireless modem. Yes, good. Okay. So communication devices. Okay. Dial-up modem, digital modem, wireless modem, network cards, wireless access point. Okay, it's called communication devices. And now widely with network communication standard for both wire and wireless network. Anyone can tell me two example of wireless network and wire network? Two example of wireless network. Najima Khatun, can you tell me two example of wireless network? Two example of wireless network. Najima? Two example of wireless network is what? Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Yes. And wire network is what? Najima? Wireless network is, you can also call Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wireless network, okay. And wire network is IP, or you can also call it TCP. Okay, TCP network, that means transmission control protocol. And Ethernet. Okay, Ethernet is called wire network. So next is communication channel. And what is bandwidth? We already discussed bandwidth. Bandwidth means what? Bandwidth, that means maximum rate of data transfer. It's called bandwidth. We already know 7 MB, 2 MB. You show suppose when you use internet and you can show and you already show that on mobile bar, okay, top bar, the 2 MB, now speed is 2 MB, 1 MB, 1 KB, 2 KB, it's called bandwidth, okay. It's called bandwidth, okay. So you can see page number 13, transmission media. Twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, fiber optic cable. You can see twisted pair cable. This one is twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. And everyone should remember disadvantage of fiber optic cable. Disadvantage of fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable are it cost, okay, and more difficult to install and modify. And fiber optic cable, it is mostly used in telecom companies for different types of connection. Telecom companies, that was this one is actually used for telecommunication system, okay, telecommunication, using for telecommunication companies. And you know telecommunication phone landline system actually, okay, fiber optic cable. And coaxial cable, you know coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, and wireless link. Many uses optical of wireless transmission media because it is more convenient than installing cable. Wireless link rely on ratio signal for the transmission of data. Wireless communication is becoming popular in wireless link device by wireless distribution. So connecting one router distributed to many other systems. You can see page number is 14. One router distributed network to many other computer or devices. Phone, just like a phone, watch, smartwatch, PC, laptop, tablet, okay. Anyone have any doubt? Chapter 1.
So,
Yes.
so what is the full form of FTP?
File transfer protocol. File transfer
File.
protocol. Transfer protocol, yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Have you any doubt this chapter, Bhargavi?
No, sir.
Okay, good. Nazima Khatun, Samir Ikhtar, Aklima, Ariful, Samina, Afroza, Tanmoy Das, Lajanul Ahmed, Shamim Ikhtiar. Anyone have any doubt this chapter? Yes, Aklima, tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. And now we will discuss chapter 2. Okay, number system. So we already discussed it, decimal number system. Decimal number system based of what? Based of
2.
decimal, not a binary.
Sorry, sir. 10.
10, yes, 10. Okay. So decimal number system based of 10. Okay. So digit from 0 to 9 base of 10. Okay. You should remember. And binary number base of 2 digit is 0 and 1. Octal number base of 8 0 to 7. Digit is 0 to 7. And hexadecimal number base of 16. Digit is 0 to 9 and symbol is A to F. Okay. So conversion of decimal into binary number system we already discussed. Okay. How can you conversion decimal to binary number system? You can see image page number is 19. Okay. Octal number, hexadecimal number, computer arithmetic. So binary addition we already discussed is binary addition. You can see page number is 20. You can see binary number addition. 1000 binary 2 plus 1 1. And you should remember this chart: binary addition chart, binary subtraction chart, binary multiplication chart, and binary division chart. Okay. You can see 1,000 plus 011. That means, okay, no problem. I have to share on my blackboard. You can see. Okay, binary addition. Okay, so suppose example, binary addition. So binary digit is only 10. Yes. So 1010. Okay. Bracket start. Suppose 0 1 0 1 or 1. Okay. So addition. So now you can see binary addition chart. 1 0 1 0. Next is 0 1 0 1. Now add this number. 0 plus 1 means what?
1.
1. And 1 plus 0 equal to 1.
1.
0 plus 1 equal to
1.
1. And 1 plus 0 equal to 1. So result is 1 1 1 1 1. Okay. Okay. So same process on binary subtraction. Suppose you can see okay. So same process on binary subtraction. Suppose 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 1. Binary subtraction. You should remember this chart. Okay, binary subtraction chart. So 1 minus 1, that means what? 1 minus
0.
0 equal to 0. And 1 minus 0 equal to what? 1 minus 0
1.
equal to 1. 0 minus 0 equal to
0.
0. And 1 minus 1 equal to
0.
0. So result is 0 0 1 0. Okay. Same process on binary multiplication and binary division. Okay. Binary multiplication, binary division. Okay. So binary division, you should remember this chart, binary division chart. And I already give you on your WhatsApp group. Okay. So I hope everyone got this division chart. Okay. Binary division chart. I already gave you. 1 divided 1 equal to 1, 1 divided 0 equal to meaningless, 0 divided 1 equal to 0, and 0 divided 0 equal to meaningless. Okay, I already gave. Anyone have any doubt this chapter?
So,
Yes.
so what is the another term for base?
Other terms of
Another term of base. So in page number 19, there is a fill in the blanks.
number system which is a base of. Oh, another term of base is this one.
Yes, sir.
Another term of base is, you can see just it. Decimal number system, point number system, hexadecimal. Need to count let introduction to decimal number system, whole 0 to that can be good. Just good, Harmogi. Another term for base is base value of digit base value number system. Number system is the base. Number system also includes the symbol AF, hexadecimal number. Binary addition is similar to this one. Last, another term for base is just what, Harmogi. I think one. Another term of base is one.
One,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah, one.
Answer number 5.
Number of binary addition is similar to binary addition is similar to Aribul. What are you doing? Why are you talking? Binary addition is similar to just what? Binary addition is similar to just what? Two. And we already know, yes, binary addition, binary base of 2, yes. So, the sum is 6 to 0, 1. Binary addition is similar to One. Carry. It's called carry actually. Bhargavi.
So binary addition is similar to one addition.
One addition, yes, one addition. Because one is a carry. We already know. But zero, this one is one. Actually, Bhargavi. Binary addition is similar to one addition.
Okay, sir.
One and also call it carry addition. And we already discussed carry. Yes.
Then I'll write here carry or one.
Yeah, one and start bracket and you should write carry. Okay. In bracket.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
carry. CARRY. Anyone have any doubt this chapter? Aklima, Afroza, Samyuktihar, Tanmoy, Najima. Yes, Najima Khatun. Aihul. And worksheet 1. You should study worksheet 1 based on chapter 1 and 2. Okay, now we'll discuss chapter 3, Introduction to MS Access. Okay, so what is data? What is data?
Data is a collection of unprocessed or raw items which can include text, numbers, images,
audio and video and some documents. Okay, it's called data. Okay. And information, you should remember information. What is information? Information is processed data that is it is organized, meaningful and useful. Same types of data, okay. But in addition to documents, information can be in the form of audio, images, and video. It's called information. And what is database? Database is a collection of data, yes, which is organized in a manner that can be easily retrieved. They consist of field, record, and file. What is the full name of DBMS?
Database management system.
Yes, good, Bhargavi. A record rows is called record and column is called attribute. And application of database. Application of database is important, okay. And difference between database and DBMS. Page number is 27. Difference between database and DBMS. You can see database is an organized collection of related data, so that is can be easily accessed, managed and updated. Okay. This topic is important, okay. Database and DBMS. And next is components of database. Components of database. And explain per components of database. Table, record, field, data type, forms, report, query, and Macros. Okay. Microsoft Access. What is Microsoft Access? Page number is 28. Microsoft Access is a system software or application software. Argobi?
So,
Microsoft Access is a system software or application software.
so
System software or
system,
application software?
system software.
No, application software. We already discussed application software.
So,
Yes.
so if in exam components of database will come and we have to explain the table, record and fields. So if we write one line of each, then it will be correct.
Which line? Table,
So I
record,
mean
field,
like,
data type. Yeah. Argobi, yes. Tell me.
yeah, if we write only one sentence,
Yeah. No problem. No
if we
problem.
write only,
No problem. No problem. You can also write one line. Okay. One paragraph. No problem.
so in exam extra questions will come.
No need extra question. Okay. This exam, for this exam, only for this exam. Okay.
Only textual questions will come.
Only take one question. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So next is Microsoft Access. Microsoft Access is a application software. Okay, not a system software. So they have extension file name of MS Access is .mdb. Important. Future of MS Access 2016. Future of MS Access 2016. Important. You can see future of MS Access 2016. That's good. And starting access, how can you starting access? Just class 8 extension will come or not on the class 8. So everyone should remember, okay, future of MS Access. Future of MS Access 2016, okay. It is easier to understand and use of MS Access. MS Access create and store data in the form of table. Table are easy to work with, okay. So next is starting access. How can you start your MS Access application? Okay, step by step. Create a blank database. How can you create blank database in your MS Access application? Okay, or MS Access software. Step by step, you should remember. Okay, and closing database. Step 1, step 2, and creating tables. Creating tables. Okay, so how can you create tables in your MS Access software? Okay, how can you create tables in your MS Access software? So two way you can create tables in your MS Access software. Number one is using datasheet view and number two is using design view. Okay, so using datasheet view is simple. Okay, just follow this step. Creating table using datasheet view. Step 1, step 2. Okay. Step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, and step 7. And design view. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we already discussed it. Rearrange field. Modifying the structure of table. Modifying the structure of table. Rearrange field. How can you rearrange your field in an MS Excel software? This topic is important, most important. Okay, for your exam, inserting field. How can you insert field in your MS Excel software? And how can you rearrange field in your MS Access software. It's important, most important. Okay. Step 1, step 2, follow this step 1, step 2, and inserting field. How can you insert field in your MS Access software? Step 1, step 2, and step 3, step 4, and step 5 is important. Okay. And deleting field, it is also important. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. And how many data types in your design view table? MS Access design view table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 data types. 12 data types. And explain data view. You can see text data type. Okay. Sorry, data type. Oh, yes. So text data type, memo, number, date and time, guarantee auto number is no, only object, hyperlink, lookup wizard, attachment calculated. Okay. And how can you change your data type in MS Access software? Okay. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. It's important. Okay. And default field size of text data type. Default field size of text data type is a 255. Okay. And default field size of field data type, long integer, page number is 38. Long integer, auto number, long integer. Default field size is long integer of field type is auto number field type. Okay. And how can you change field size in our MS Access table? You should remember step 1, step 2, and step 3. Create validation rule, set the valid caption. Okay. Deleting record in the table, let it in new row or a new record. Name the latest version of MS Excel. MS Access. Anyone can tell me name the latest version of MS Access?
Access 2019.
Yes, 2019. Now latest version is MS Access is 2019. Yes, good, Bhargavi. And DBMS, full form of DBMS, RDMS. RDMS is a relational database management system. Okay. And define the following database table: DBMS, RDMS. Write the step to rearrange field. Write the step to rearrange field. And what is primary key? How do we set primary key in Access? Primary key is a unique number of MS Access table. Okay. What is the advantage of using DBMS? MS Access create and store data in the form of table. It cannot handle a large number of records stored in a table. DBMS is a software program. RDMS stands for Relational Database Management Data Sheet. No, database management system. Every specified piece of information is known as value. Extension of Access 2016 file is what? .mdb. Okay.
Sir,
Yes.
so can you say question number number 2, answer once?
Number?
Number 2, what are the advantages of using a DBMS? Can you say the answer once?
What are the advantages of using DBMS?
Yes, sir.
What are the advantages of using DBMS? You can see page number is wait. DBMS. Where is the DBMS? Yes. DBMS is a software. Yes, you already know DBMS is a software. So DBMS help us to create table in our MS Access and modify extract data from a database in our table. Okay, a DBMS can be based on different data models such as network hierarchical and relational, no problem. DBMS based on the relational data mode store data in the form of table and it's called relational. Okay, DBMS. Okay, so what are the advantages of using a DBMS? Okay, so DBMS help us to create tables. Okay, create tables. Enable you to create tables in your database software. Okay, database software, that means Access, MS Access software. Okay, and modifying this table and extract data from a database. Okay, database table. And I already gave and
So we
DBMS.
wrote,
Yes.
so the advantages of using DBMS, what you gave in WhatsApp, we wrote something else.
This one I already gave. No problem. Then you can see that's what. Chapter is 3, na? Hey, this one. DBMS advantage of, you can see what are the advantages of using a DBMS. Yes. Advantage of DBMS. This one actually. Data integrity, data security, better data integration, faster data access.
Yes, sir.
E2, na? E2. What are the
Yes, sir.
advantages of using DBMS? Data integrity, data security, better data integration, okay, and faster data access. DBMS,
Okay, sir.
advantage of DBMS, okay. I already gave. Anyone have any doubt this chapter? Then tell me. Nazinur Ahmed, Nazima Khatun, Kamina, Sama Iftiar, Khadija Bhargavi, no doubt, na?
No, sir. Sir, but I want to ask something.
Yeah, tell me.
So again, I'm asking, sir, extra questions will not come now.
Extension not come. Extension will not come, okay. For this exam, only this exam, okay.
Okay, sir. So whatever question answers you gave in the WhatsApp, that one only will come, no?
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
No, your exam, what your timetable? Exam timetable?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay, no problem. Then no problem. Okay.
Students, extra question not come, no?
No, not come. Extra question will not come.
Okay, sir.
Only textual question will come. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Write the step to reinstall this question is important, and one question is important for this chapter. Extra question, no problem. Okay, you should remember. Okay, how can you rearrange field? Deleting field, rearrangement, inserting field. How can you rearrange field in your table, MS Access table, and how can you inserting field in your MS Access table? When you using data sheet, when you using design view table in your MS Access, how can you inserting field? And how can you rearrange field in your MS Access when you using design view table in your MS Access? And next is deleting field is important. And how many data types in our MS Access data table? 1, 2, 3, 11 table, 11 data types. Yes. and chapter 2, you can see page number is 23. What is hexadecimal number system? What is hexadecimal number system? Hexadecimal number system is base of 16 here, and digit are how many digits?
16. 0 to 9.
0 to 9, and symbol is A to F.
A to F.
Yes. Explain the concept of number system in computer. Different between position and non-position number system. A binary number system is different from decimal number system because binary number system base of 2 and decimal number system is base of 10. Yes. Binary number system are 0 and 1. Digit is 0 and 1, and decimal number digit is 0. Digit are 0 to 9. Explain the concept of octal and hexadecimal number. Octal is base of 8, hexadecimal base of 16. Okay. Binary number system. What is number system? What is the octal number system? There are 4 digits in binary number system. No. Octal. 1 plus 1 equal to 10 in binary number system. Okay. Okay, then student, my time is over. Yes, time to work now. Okay, so everyone, best of luck for your exam. Okay,
Thank you, sir.
welcome. Okay, okay, bye bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye,
Are
sir.
why are we laughing?
No, sir, my father is behind me, that's why.
Okay, no problem. Okay, then bye bye, everyone.